Some of the biggest deals of the season just dropped, and a lot of them are actually worth a look. In this video, we're going through a selection of products with major discounts across different categories that can upgrade your everyday life. Let's take a look at what stands out. 1. Keeping floors clean can feel like a constant chore, especially with pet hair and daily dust building up around the house. The Dream D20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping, helping maintain hard floors and carpets with less effort. It features 13,000 Pascal suction power for picking up debris, a self-emptying system with a 5-liter dust bag for reduced maintenance, and a duo brush designed to manage pet hair more effectively. With LDS mapping, it navigates and plans cleaning paths, while app and voice control options make it easy to manage cleaning sessions. This setup can be a practical option for households looking for a more automated way to keep floors tidy. 2. If you're constantly dealing with tangled wires or earbuds that don't keep up during workouts or calls, switching to a wireless option can make everyday listening much easier. These wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.4 are designed for stable connectivity and everyday use, delivering bass stereo sound along with a noise-canceling microphone for clearer calls. The charging case features an LED display that shows battery levels, so you can easily keep track of power, and the IP7 waterproof rating helps handle sweat or light rain during sports or commuting. With compatibility across phones, laptops, and other devices, they can be a practical choice for anyone looking for simple, wireless audio on the go. 3. If you want a clearer record of your drives or extra peace of mind on the road, having a reliable dash cam can make a big difference. The Rover 2 4K Dashcam is designed to capture detailed footage with Ultra HD 2160p video, helping you see more clarity in everyday driving situations. It features built-in Wi-Fi 6, so you can view and download recordings directly to your phone using the app, along with built-in GPS to track your location and speed. With a 150-degree wide-angle lens, WDR, and Super Night Vision technology using a 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture, it's built to record in different lighting conditions, while features like loop recording, parking monitor, and G-sensor help support continuous and event-based recording. 4. If you need a device for streaming, studying, or light work but don't want to carry a laptop everywhere, a tablet can be a more convenient option for everyday use. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 is designed to balance performance and portability, featuring a large display for watching content or browsing, along with Dolby Atmos speakers for more immersive sound. It comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, with expandable storage available if you need more space for apps and files. With optimized performance, long-lasting battery, and a slim, lightweight design, it's built for daily tasks like video calls, entertainment, and productivity, making it a practical choice for students, casual users, or anyone looking for a simple, portable screen. 5. If you're trying to get comfortable on the couch or add a warm layer to your bed, a soft throw blanket can make a noticeable difference during colder or relaxing moments. The Cozy Bliss Faux Fur Throw Blanket is designed to provide both comfort and a decorative touch, featuring a plush faux fur surface with a soft inner layer for a cozy feel on both sides. It uses a thick, fluffy fabric that helps keep warmth without feeling overly heavy, and the bubble-textured design adds a bit of visual style to sofas or bedrooms. Sized at 50 by 60 inches, it's made for everyday use around the home, whether you're lounging, watching TV, or adding an extra layer of comfort to your space. 6. If you're dealing with damp air, musty smells, or excess humidity in spaces like bedrooms or bathrooms, a compact dehumidifier can help make the environment more comfortable. The ToLife Dehumidifier for Home is designed to reduce moisture in areas up to around 1,000 square feet, using semiconductor condensation technology for quiet and efficient operation. It features a 95-ounce water tank for longer use between emptying, along with an automatic shutoff function that stops the unit when the tank is full to prevent overflow. With 2 working modes, including a low-noise sleep mode under 30 decibels, and 7-color LED lighting options that can double as a nightlight, it's built for everyday use in bedrooms, bathrooms, or basements. 7. If you want to keep an eye on your home without dealing with wiring or ongoing fees, a wireless outdoor camera system can simplify things while still covering multiple areas. The Aosu Security Camera's Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit is designed as a solar-powered system that helps maintain continuous operation with minimal maintenance, while offering 2K video for clear detail and full-color night vision for low-light conditions. Each camera supports 360-degree pan and tilt, along with auto tracking to follow movement, and the system connects through Wi-Fi for remote viewing and control. It also includes local storage with no subscription required, so recordings are saved securely without monthly costs. With easy setup and multi-camera coverage, it's suited for monitoring areas like yards, driveways, or entry points for households looking for a more flexible home security setup. 8. If your kitchen feels cluttered or you're constantly dealing with bulky pots and pans that take up too much space, a stackable cookware set can make everyday cooking a lot more convenient. The Kuroti 19-piece non-stick cookware set is designed to simplify both cooking and storage, featuring a detachable handle that lets you move cookware from stovetop to oven, fridge, or table with one click. It uses a non-stick surface for easier cooking and cleanup, while the removable handle design allows the pots and pans to stack neatly and save up to 70% more space. With compatibility for different stovetops, including induction, and an oven-safe design, it's built for flexible, everyday use, making it a practical option for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone looking to keep their cooking setup more organized. 9. If your dog struggles to get comfortable or you notice them shifting around on hard floors, a supportive bed can help create a more restful place to relax. The EHUI Saiga Orthopedic Dog Bed is designed for extra-large dogs, offering a combination of memory foam and egg crate foam to provide more even support and pressure relief across the body. It includes a waterproof layer to help protect the foam from spills or accidents, along with a removable, washable cover for easier cleaning. The three-sided bolster design gives dogs a place to rest their head while adding a sense of comfort, and the non-slip bottom helps keep the bed in place on different floor types. Sized at 44 by 32 inches, it's suited for larger breeds or dogs that like extra space to stretch out, making it a practical option for everyday rest and recovery. 10. If you're dealing with daily dust, pet hair, or quick messes, but don't want to drag out a bulky vacuum every time, a cordless stick vacuum can make cleaning faster and more convenient. The 580-watt 50 kilopascals cordless vacuum cleaner is designed for flexible home cleaning, offering strong suction power to lift debris from hardwood floors, carpets, and pet hair. It features a high-powered motor with multiple suction modes and a rechargeable battery that can run up to around 70 minutes depending on the setting, helping you clean larger areas without frequent charging. The lightweight handheld design makes it easier to switch between floor cleaning and tighter spaces, while anti-tangle functionality helps reduce hair buildup on the brush. With attachments included for different surfaces and areas, it's built to handle everyday cleaning tasks around the home for a wide range of users. 11. If you enjoy fresh bread but don't have the time or experience to bake from scratch, an automatic bread maker can simplify the whole process at home. The Osapoto 2-pound bread maker machine is designed to handle everything from mixing to baking, using 17 preset programs for options like basic bread, whole wheat, cake, jam, and more. It features a 600-watt motor with even heat distribution to help create a consistent texture, along with a non-stick pan that makes removing bread and cleaning easier. A 15-hour delay timer lets you schedule baking in advance, and the low-noise design helps it run quietly in the background. With beginner-friendly controls and support for different loaf sizes, it's built for anyone looking to make homemade bread more convenient in their daily routine. 12T. If your sofa cushions are starting to look worn, stained, or outdated, replacing the entire couch isn't always necessary when a simple cover can refresh the look. The H. Versailtex Velvet Stretch Couch Cushion Cover Set is designed to protect and renew individual cushions, using a soft velvet fabric that feels smooth and comfortable while helping resist wrinkles and fading. It features a highly stretchable material that fits a range of cushion shapes, including standard and T cushions, and an elastic bottom that helps keep the cover in place without shifting. The three-piece design allows you to cover each seat cushion separately, making it easier to adjust or clean, and the covers are machine washable for everyday maintenance. With a simple installation process and multiple color options, it's a practical choice for households looking to update their furniture or protect it from daily wear, pets, and spills. 13. If you're working, gaming casually, or watching content on a standard desk setup, this kind of monitor is built to balance simplicity and immersion. The Scepter 24-inch curved monitor uses a Full HD 1080p resolution on a 24-inch screen, which is still one of the most common and practical setups for everyday use. It features a curved display design that wraps slightly around your field of view, helping create a more immersive experience compared to flat panels. It supports up to a 75 Hz refresh rate for smoother motion than standard 60 Hz screens, along with built-in speakers to save desk space and reduce the need for external audio. Connectivity includes HDMI and VGA ports, and it's also VESA mount compatible for flexible placement. 14. If you're packing lunches, storing leftovers, or organizing your fridge, this VTop Mart 5-pack is designed for flexible daily use. It uses borosilicate glass, which is commonly used for food storage because it handles temperature changes better and stays safe for food contact. The snap-lock lids create an airtight, leak-proof seal, helping prevent spills when carrying meals. These containers are safe for microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher use, giving you the option to cook, store, and reheat in the same container, as long as the lid is removed before heating. The 22-ounce size works well for portion control or single meals, and the stackable design helps save space in your fridge or cabinets, making it easier to keep everything organized. 15. If your room gets hot at night or you need airflow without loud noise while sleeping or working, a quiet tower fan can make a noticeable difference. The Levoit Tower Fan for bedroom is designed to provide steady airflow with 90-degree oscillation to cover more of the room, along with up to 25 feet per second air velocity for stronger circulation. It operates at around 28 decibels for low noise performance, making it suitable for sleep or focused environments, and includes 5 speeds and 4 modes to adjust airflow based on your needs. A 12-hour timer and remote control add convenience for daily use, while the bladeless design and slim 36-inch build help it fit easily into bedrooms, offices, or smaller spaces. 16. If you're tired of slow prep work or accidentally scraping your fingers on traditional graters, switching to a hand crank design can make food prep quicker and safer. The Cambomb rotary cheese grater is designed to shred cheese, vegetables, and nuts using a manual crank system that keeps your hands away from the blades while you work. It includes 3 interchangeable stainless steel drum blades for coarse shredding, fine shredding, and slicing, so you can adjust the texture depending on what you're preparing. The non-slip suction base helps keep the unit stable on flat surfaces, and the food-grade plastic body with stainless steel blades is built for everyday kitchen use. With no electricity required and detachable parts for easier cleaning, it's a practical option for anyone looking to speed up prep tasks while keeping things simple and controlled. 17. If you're dealing with grease, grout, or hard-to-clean surfaces that regular wiping doesn't fully remove, a handheld steam cleaner can help break down dirt using heat instead of chemicals. The pressurized handheld multi-surface steam cleaner is designed for multi-purpose cleaning around the home, using high-temperature steam to help loosen grime on surfaces like floors, upholstery, grout, and car interiors. It includes a set of 12 accessories for different tasks, such as cleaning tight corners, fabric, glass, and hard surfaces, giving you more flexibility depending on the area you're working on. The pressurized steam system helps target dirt and grease, while the compact handheld design makes it easier to use in smaller or hard-to-reach spaces. Steam cleaners like this are commonly used for chemical-free cleaning and can help reduce bacteria using high heat, making them suitable for everyday cleaning routines across different areas of the home. 18. If you're reheating meals or making quick food in a small kitchen, a compact microwave can save space while still covering everyday cooking needs. The Comfy EM720CPL-PMB countertop. Microwave is designed for simple daily use with a 0.7 cubic foot capacity and 700 watts of power, making it suitable for small portions, snacks, or leftovers. It features easy one-touch cooking buttons for common foods like popcorn, pizza, and beverages, along with multiple power levels for more control over heating. A mute function allows you to turn sounds on or off, while Eco Mode helps reduce standby power consumption when not in use. With a compact design, digital display, and child safety lock, it's built for convenient use in apartments, dorms, or small kitchens where space and simplicity matter. 19. If your towels feel rough, don't absorb well, or wear out quickly after washing, switching to a higher quality cotton set can make your daily routine more comfortable. The luxury white bath towel set of 8 pieces is designed for full bathroom use, including 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 4 washcloths, all made from 100% Turkish cotton for a softer and more durable feel. With a 700 GSM weight, the fabric is thicker and more plush, which helps improve absorbency and gives a more substantial feel compared to lighter towels. The towels are designed to be highly absorbent, quick-drying, and low-lint, with reinforced edges for durability through repeated washing. Sized for everyday use and easy to maintain with machine washing, this set is suitable for households looking for a simple, complete towel upgrade for bathrooms, guest rooms, or daily use. 20. If you want to cook a variety of meals quickly without relying on multiple kitchen appliances, a multifunction air fryer can help simplify everyday cooking. The ChefMan Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie is designed to handle tasks like air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and rotisserie cooking in one unit. It features 17 preset cooking options with a touch control panel for easier operation, along with a 10-quart capacity that works well for family-sized portions or batch cooking. A large viewing window allows you to check on food while it cooks, and the auto shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety. With included accessories like racks and a rotisserie spit, it's suitable for users looking for a more flexible, all-in-one cooking setup. You can find all the product links in the video description if you want to take a closer look, and feel free to choose only what actually fits your needs. As always, we may earn a small commission from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.